Everybody, so today I want to talk about geometry, the topic that is about the vector and the circle. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find the equation of the circle that is tangent to both coordinate axes and contains the point number 6, number 3. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to wrap this one. We know that we have the circle, and this circle they should be about tangent to the both coordinate axis, that is about x axis and y axis. And we know that the point number 6, number 3 on the circle in here. And now I will show you how to find. Next, we put about this point in here, that's about O, and we know that O that is about the center of the circle. So I will put about O, that's about A and B. A represent about X, B that is about Y. We know that from O to Y axis and from O to the X axis, they should be about same, because this is about the radius of the circle. So that means we have the distance between O to this one, that is about x equal to number 0, and this one that is about y equals to number 0. So the distance between O to x equal to number 0 equals to the distance between the center O to y equals to number 0. So we know that x equal to number 0, y equal to number 0, that is about this equation of the line. Now we put the distance between the point to the line, and that should be like this. We know that we have A, B. A represent for x, we put x. We put A go for x, and they should be like this. And we know that coefficient of x that is about number 1. Now the distance from O to y equal to number 0. Y we have B, we put B going here. Coefficient of y that is about number 1. Now we simplify and we have like this. So because the point 6, number 3 in the positive, if we look on the figure in here, so that means A should be equals to B. So they cannot go to A equal to negative B, because if we go to this way, the circle they go in here. And now after we have A equal to B, we can find the distance between from the center to this point here. So the distance that is about, we need to find vector of 8. That means number 6 minus 8, number 3 minus B. And now we need to use the magnitude of vector of 8. And we have the square root of 6 minus 8, everything to the power of 2 plus 3 minus b, everything to the power of 2. And we know that from O to this point here, and from O to this one and this one, that should be equals to 8. And this one equal to 8 in here. And we know that A is equal to B, so we need to change B into 8. Now we need to put the power 2 for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Now we need to expand this one. Now we simplify a square for the both sides. Now we just have only a square. Negative number 6, negative number 12. That is about negative 18. 8. 36 plus 9. We have 45 equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of 8. So we have 8 equals to number 3 and 8 equals to number 15. So if we look carefully, 8 equals to number 15 is bigger than number 6 and number 3. So that means this circle that will go outside in here. So that means this boy cannot on the circle. So we need to recheck about this one. And now we just have only 8 equals to number 3. That means B equals to number 3. So because 8 equals to B, and now the center of this one, that's about number 3. And the next one, we know that 8 equals to B. This one is about 8. And we know that 8, that is about the radius of the circle. And now we have the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.